Hello everyone, in the previous video we saw how to download Typing Master free version. In this video I will show you how to unlock all other remaining chapters. So let's start the video. Go to the file application. Here go to the downloads. Here you can see this Typing Master zip file is there which we are downloaded in the previous video. Open it again. Here enter the password which we noted while downloading. Now click on OK. Now click on Typing Master file. Now again open this another Typing Master file. Now here you can see this instruction text file is there. Open it. Here you can see license ID and keys are there. Copy it. Now just minimize all the screens. Now open Typing Master. Go to the information. Here enter license and key button is there. Click on it. And here paste that license ID and product key as it is. And then click on enter. It will start verifying your license. Once it's done, it will show us a message that is thank you, your license key has been accepted. Now you can go to the course and you can check that your all chapters are unlocked. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please share this video to your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.